Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Students, today I will teach you English grammar page number 98 and 99. Students, now let's start topic formation of adverbs. इसमें नंबर 1 पे पॉइंट है, in most cases an adverb is formed by adding ly to an adjective. For example, sweet, sweetly, kind, kindly, deep, deeply, careless, carelessly, nice, nicely, sad, sadly, brave, bravely, careful, carefully, polite, politely, wise, wisely, quiet, quietly, soft, softly, loud, loudly, safe, safely, active, actively, beautiful, beautifully, stylish, stylishly, skillful, skillfully. Next, page number 99. Examples. Sabha goes quickly. Next example, he walked slowly to the gate. Next example, he certainly had an interesting life. Next example, Naveed carefully picked up the sleeping child. नेक्स्ट नंबर 2 पर पॉइंट है, इफ एन एडजेक्टिव एंड्स इन वाई रिप्लेस द वाई विद आई एंड एड एल वाई. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ईजी, ईजिली, हैप्पी, हैप्पीली, एंग्री, एंगरली, लकी, लकीली. नेक्स्ट नंबर 3 पर पॉइंट है, इफ एन एडजेक्टिव एंड्स इन ए बी एल ई, IBLE, or LE, replace the E with Y. For example, probable, probably, gentle, gently, terrible, terribly, capable, capably. Next number 4 पर पॉइंट है, if an adjective ends in IC, add ALLY. For example, economic, economically, tragic, tragically, basic, basically, typical, typically. Next number 5 पर पॉइंट है, some adverbs have the same form as the adjective. For example, early, late, fast, near, hard, straight, high, wrong, back, little, long, low, still, well, far. Used as an adjective, used as an adverb. For example, this is hard exercise. He works hard. Next example, we saw many high buildings in Japan. It is a fast moving bus. Next example, the kites flew high in the sky. Jamil drives very fast. Next number 6 पर पॉइंट है, well and good. Well is an adverb as well as an adjective, but good is only an adjective. Examples: adjective, adverb. First example, Yusuf is a good student. Next example, he is a good teacher. Next example, you are looking very well. Next adverb, he studies well. Next example, he teaches well. Next example, they swim well. Students, आज का लेक्चर यहाँ कंप्लीट हुआ. I hope you will be understood this lecture. Students, kindly write down this work on your notebooks. Okay, Allah Hafiz.